Why I don't believe hard work is the key to success. Hi, it's Clara here from Chong.co. Back in my corporate job, I was told to work hard and your hard work will pay off. Well, yes, to a certain extent. But over time, I realized my productivity decreased tremendously because I was always sleep deprived. Hard work without a goal and vision is nothing. Think about it, nearly everyone at the top is hardworking. But most people at the bottom are hardworking too. Hard work is necessary, but if you don't have a vision or your vision is to retire in your early 30s and have passive income, but you're just working so hard every day in a 9-to-5 job. I don't mean to say that you can't retire early working in a 9-to-5 job, but what I'm trying to say is the possibility is very, very little. And in this scenario, your hard work just doesn't make sense. Back in my corporate job, I was earning $48,000 per year. And if I wish to retire at the age of 35, assuming I didn't use a single cent from it, and my salary stays the same for 10 years, do you think $480,000 will be enough to retire? I don't think so. Success is absolutely about what you focus and ensuring you use your time productively. Long hours don't equal to hard work, they just equal to long hours. Tim Ferriss is a multi-millionaire working just 4 hours a week. It isn't just about hard work, it's a lot about time efficiency, work smart, and work effectively. I hope you find this helpful. Remember to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want similar video like this, then stick around.